The atmosphere feels mystical and otherworldly, filled with glowing lights, floating particles, and powerful elemental energy. Massive landscapes stretch across the horizon, while fire, ash, mist, and glowing forests create a cinematic fantasy environment. The ambience combines calm spiritual energy with intense elemental power, wind moving through ancient lands, distant echoes in the background, and flames lighting up the darkness. Every scene feels alive, as if nature itself is breathing. The mix of blue glowing tones, burning orange fire, drifting ash, and deep atmospheric sounds creates a magical yet dangerous world. It gives the feeling of entering a universe where ancient powers, elemental balance, and survival exist together in perfect harmony.